fragrance is so amazing. Is it worth the hype? And I loved every bit of this product. This did not suit me at all. I have used again 5-6 bottles of this. It burned my skin. ये मुझे काफी लंबे टाइम तक लास्ट किया था. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Sakshi Singhania and I create videos on skincare, beauty, lifestyle and fashion. Today I am going to review some of the most viral products. Most of these products are like viral, but then I have some products which are not viral, but they have been spoken about a lot by a lot of creators and they have reviewed them, and most of them have really good reviews. So I'll also be giving my opinion on that because I have a slightly different take. This is a super honest, non-sponsored video. Before I begin, I want to give a disclaimer that if I do not like a product from a brand, it does not mean that the whole brand is not good. It can happen vice versa. Plus, skincare and haircare is very subjective. So what might suit me might not suit you and vice versa. Also, I would like to tell you that I have got super dry, acne prone and very sensitive skin. It changes with the weather as well. So right now in summer season, my T-zone is a little oily, like not very oily, but I cannot wear very heavy products. Mostly it is dry, acne prone and sensitive. Very difficult to handle because when you have oily skin, then you can use gel based products, but when you have dry and acne prone skin, then you have to be very careful about it because you don't want to clog your pores. Plus also you need something very hydrating. So yeah, without a further ado, let's get started. So I have got 10 products with me today, and the first one I will pick is the Snail Mucin from the brand Cosrx. I am sure everybody knows about this product because this product is literally viral all over the world. If you have not heard it until now, you gotta try this because this is an amazing product. But there are some superficial claims as well. Like one of the creators, in fact a lot of creators have also said that it heals the pigmentation, but I will say that it will not heal your pigmentation as such. It is an essence, right? It is a very hydrating essence and it feels very nice and calming to your skin. Plus it has got 96% snail mucin, because of which it helps in healing your skin faster. And if you've got oily skin, you would want to use this in summer just as a moisturizer. You will not need to top this up with any other moisturizer. It will be hydrating enough. But for somebody like me with dry skin, I do need to top this up with another moisturizer. And is it worth the hype? I would say yes, but then claims like this helps in removing pigmentation and stuff like that I do not believe in. So worth the hype, but only for hydrating purpose. This is my second bottle and you can see it is almost over. I'll show you the texture. It has a very gooey consistency, which is why it's an essence and not a hydrating toner, or it is not a moisturizer. It sinks into your skin very beautifully, does not feel heavy at all. But yeah, it's a little expensive but worth every penny. So if you've got irritated and a very sensitive skin, you can definitely give this a buy. Second product is this 30 Days Miracle Toner from the brand called Some by Me. Now, this is not talked about a lot by Indian creators, but this product is viral in Korea and have been talked about a lot by other foreign creators. And you can see I have finished it, but this did not suit me at all. This has got AHA, BHA, PHA, has niacinamide 2%, and it also has tea tree. Now, it did say that it is a 30 days miracle toner, which seems to be like a super big claim, but it broke me out and it did not suit my skin at all. In fact, there is like a lot of tea tree oil in this, so that might have irritated my skin. Plus, a combination of everything does not really go for my skin, I feel, because I have got very sensitive and acne prone skin. But I thought this might suit me. Also, This has a very strong smell, feels like वो chlorophyll chocolate आती थी बचपन में, it feels like that. And to your question, I'm sure you might have this question कि मैंने ये finish क्यों किया फिर. Instead of using this on my face, I used this as a scalp exfoliator. Yes, I was anyway looking for a scalp exfoliator क्योंकि मेरे पहले वाले खत्म हो गए थे. मुझे जब भी अपना scalp exfoliate करना होता था, I used to apply this toner on my scalp, keep it 10 minutes to like half an hour, and then I used to wash my hair. And yeah, it did pretty good with that. But even for a scalp exfoliator, I will not go for this. It is very expensive, so I wouldn't recommend. Let me know if you have tried this product and it did suit you, because one of my other friends is liking it. I would just like to say it has a very strong fragrance and a lot of tea tree oil in this. So be careful even if you are using this product on its own. So is it worth the hype? Definitely no for me. Now the next product is from the brand Foxtail. It's a daily hydrating serum and it has hyaluronic acid plus bisabolol, and this is the only product from Foxtail I think which does not have fragrance, because उनके सारे products में बहुत ज़्यादा fragrance है. And this has been talked about a lot by a lot of creators. In fact, one or two creators have also said that this can be dupe to the Cosrx snail mucin. So coming to my experience, I love this product because I am generally a person who likes using hydrating and calm products. मुझे soothing ingredients use करना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, rather than using like AHA, BHAs and all of that. I try to stay away from all of those. मैं काफ़ी carefully उन चीज़ों को use करती हूँ. But something like this is easily incorporated in my skincare routine, and this can be paired up with anything, right? So even if you're using actives or any other exfoliants, you can definitely use this with any other exfoliants. Coming to how it worked, it did really well for my skin. It is very hydrating for sure, and I also love the dropper of this. The dropper is quite delicate. I really like that shape of it, and it handles the product quite well. So apply करने में भी काफी मजा आता है. Coming to that, is it a dupe for snail mucin? I don't really think so, because that is more of an essence and this is more of a serum. Also texture भी serum का थोड़ा thick है, but it does not feel sticky at all. It is very hydrating and it will not break you out. So not necessarily a dupe for Cosrx snail mucin, but a really good product, and especially at this price point, and given that Foxtail also has like buy one get one buy two offers, so you can always get this at literally half the price. MRP of this product is 549 rupees and you can easily get it for around 300. So yes, definitely a thumbs up from my side. Coming to the next skincare product, it's a sunscreen from the brand Plum. This is their rice water and niacinamide 2% hybrid sunscreen. This has got SPF 50 and PA++ rating, and it's a broad spectrum sunscreen, which means it will protect you from UVA and UVB rays both. Now, this is a hybrid sunscreen, which means it has got both physical and chemical filters, and it says that it helps brighten the skin and reduces blemishes. I love the packaging for sure. It is very sleek, very nice, like very good to travel with as well, and it has got pump through which you can pump out the product, and I must say इनका pump काफ़ी अच्छे से काम करता है, because there are a lot of other brands जिनके pump से product ही pump out नहीं होता है. जितनी बार भी use करो, it won't be faulty at all. But when I talk about this sunscreen, the texture is very nice. It blends into your skin beautifully. काफ़ी तुरंत blend भी हो जाता है. The only problem is that it feels sticky. Now it feels very sticky to me. I am not sure why a lot of creators have loved this sunscreen. Maybe because it doesn't feel sticky to them, but I would not really recommend this, because a sunscreen is something you're wearing it on a daily basis, and you really need to apply a good amount to get that sun protection, especially given the weather right now. I'm sure it's very hot everywhere. Mumbai mein to matlab bahut hi garmi ho rahi hai, and it's very sunny as well. So even if you're living in like north or south, I'm sure it's very hot, and I would want my sunscreen to feel very comfortable on my skin. Like the texture matters to me, but also after I apply the sunscreen, the feeling matters to me. I do not like the chip thing on my face at all, and it does feel very very sticky. Like मैं ठंड में इसको थोड़ा बर्दाश्त कर भी लूँ. Right now also, like I really want to wash my hand off. It feels very very sticky. Like I don't know how do I show you the stickiness. I'm not able to show you, but yeah, it does feel very very sticky. And I have tried this sunscreen on two of my other friends as well. They also feel the same. They have got oily skin. So yeah, I wouldn't really recommend this at all. In fact, if you want to buy a sunscreen from Plum, you can go for their pink color packaging sunscreen that has got squalane. But again, that sunscreen is something that only a dry skin people would love it, because the texture is very thick, but it is a really nice sunscreen. Coming to this, is it worth the hype? Not for me. It feels very sticky and I will not be repurchasing this again. The next skincare product is again from the brand Foxtail. Now this is their One Zit Wonder Acne Spot Corrector Gel. This controls active acne, it prevents blemishes. This has got azelaic acid, AHA and BHA, like all three strong components. Now this has been talked about by many of the creators, and they always say that if there is one thing you need to calm your active pimples down, calm your active acne down, this does it. And by the name also it says it's a One Zit Wonder. And if you remember, I had posted a dandruff related video where I mentioned that I also be testing out a product because I had a huge acne at that point of time. And not just that, I have tested this product out multiple times whenever I had acne here and there, and I'm sorry to say this, but this did not work out at all for me. In fact, I would like to mention that it burned my skin. So I had applied this and the next day the whole area was black. In fact, when I had applied this, it was tingling a lot because I think it has all these three ingredients, and like I mentioned, I have got super sensitive skin. So I will tell you to skip this product. But again, this is a lesson that I was mentioning in the beginning of the video. If one product is not good from a brand, it does not mean that others will not be good, because I spoke about this particular product from the brand Foxtail and I really like it, but this one did not work out for me. And I tried this multiple times on multiple skin types as well. In fact, I tried this on my mom. She also has like another tube of this and it did not work out for her also. So yeah, it's a thumbs down for me. I will not be repurchasing this and it does not justify the name for me at all. Now that was it for skincare. Now let's do a little bit of body care. First one is the Chemist at Play Underarm Roll-On with 5% AHA. This is their fragrance-free one. They have got 2 or 3 variants in this. Now this tells you that it helps control body odor and prevent underarm darkness. This is again a viral product and it's a fragrance-free version. I have not used the other versions. So the fragrance of this is like salty and sour, because इसमें कोई भी added fragrance नहीं है. So this is like, you know, the natural smell of the ingredients that are present in it. So does it help controlling the body odor? Yes, it does, but it does not control the odor for, like, you know, longer durations. Now I have used Nivea, I use the Dove deodorant stick. I have used like both of these products बहुत ज़्यादा. Dove deodorant stick मैं 4-5 use कर चुकी हूँ, ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ. And Nivea वाले तो उसके पहले भी, like, I have easily used again 5-6 bottles of this because that's the OG one. If I have to compare this with those two underarm roll-on deodorants, then I would say it is really good, but it helps control odor for like 5 to 6 hours, but not for a longer duration. So if you're looking for a short-term thing, then this is a good. And coming to the second part, it helps prevent underarm darkness. Yes, it does. On regular usage, it really helps reducing the pigmentation thoda. You have to use quite a bit and you have to be very regular with it. But yes, like I mentioned, I have got super sensitive skin, so even underarm deodorants roll on मैं ये भी हर बार and हर time पे same नहीं use करती हूँ. Because this has got 5% AHA, so gaps में use करती हूँ, कभी 2 दिन पे, कभी 3 दिन पे. It depends, like whenever I remember, because I have multiple products, I use it, but I do not use it regularly. But if you are a person with not super sensitive skin, you can definitely use this every single day. It will help you prevent the underarm darkness. Coming to the price point, this is priced at 300 rupees, which I think is absolutely stunning. So is it worth the hype? Yeah, but for 5 to 6 hours, it helps you prevent body odor, not longer than that. And the next product is from the brand Plum. This is their body loving lotion. It's in the fragrance Vanilla Caramello with Cocoa Butter. I am sure all of you must have heard about this. It is also known to be kind of dupe to that Boom Boom body lotion cream. I'm not sure because I have not used that, but some of the creators have mentioned that it is not exactly a dupe, काफी difference है. But if I have to talk about this lotion in particular, the fragrance is so amazing and it's like the perfect blend of vanilla and cocoa butter. And if you've got the smoke-in vanilla, the deodorant from the same brand, you can layer this up and you will smell really yummy. I use this on most of my office going days. I think it's really worth the hype. This is for 375 rupees, and you know Plum always has offers. And the best part about this lotion, when you have to apply it, it does not take a lot of time to blend, because I am very lazy when it comes to body lotion. I cannot use body lotions like the OG Vaseline body lotions because वो काफी ज़्यादा runny texture में है and उसको आपको काफी उसे blend करना पड़ता है to let it sink in the skin. It's very hydrating, but it takes time. For me, मैं बहुत rush में होती हूँ and I do not have that much patience. So I generally use the Bath and Body body cream which comes in like tube form, not the bottle one, because वो बहुत ही जल्दी blend हो जाता है skin में. But yeah, I really like this texture and I think this is a really good purchase for the price, for the smell and everything. Definitely give this a try. Doesn't matter if it's a dupe to that Boom Boom cream or not. This lotion on its own is really good. We're down to the last three products and all of them are lip balms. The first one is from the brand Laneige. It is in the variant Berry. Now you can see I've lost the cap and it is already over. ये मुझे काफी लंबे टाइम तक last किया था and I loved every bit of this product. For a lip glowy balm, it's expensive because Laneige, it is a not very affordable brand. It will cost you around 600 rupees and last you for a very long time. The best part about this is that it comes in the tube form, so you don't have to dip your fingers in it because you don't want to use your fingers all the time. And second thing is that you can top this up on your lipstick and your lipstick will look like a lip gloss and it will stay for a very long time. It is very hydrating. So yeah, I loved every bit of this. But yeah, this one has a very slight tint. They have 2 or 3 more variants in this. In fact, I prefer this over their lip sleeping mask, the OG one, because ये थोड़ा glowy भी देता है and it makes my lips hydrating for a longer period of time. I don't know why. If I go by the name and the ingredients, the sleeping mask is supposed to hydrate even more because it's a lip sleeping mask. But I think I like this one better and I'm definitely going to repurchase this one. The next one is from the brand Dot & Key. This is their lip glitter balm. This has got SPF 30, so amazing because not a lot of lip balms have got SPF in it. And then it also has vitamin C and vitamin E. If I have to rate this as a lip balm out of 5, then I will give this probably a 2.5 or 3 because it is not hydrating. But if I go by the name, it's a glitter balm, which means it's going to work more as a lip gloss than a 5 on 5 because for the price, it's an amazing product. Plus, it has got those glitter particles and the glitter particles are so nice. I use this almost all the time. जब भी मैं liquid lipsticks लगाती हूँ, I'm not sure if the camera is catching the glitter particles, but the glitter particles are very fine and when you apply this on your lips, it feels and looks very nice. But coming to the hydration part, it definitely does not hydrate your lips enough and I think it's more of a lip gloss than a lip balm. Down to the last product, it is from the same brand Dot & Key. This is their Ceramide plus Peptide Lip Balm. It's in the shade Warm Nude. Now this has got SPF 50, which is great for it to be in a lip balm and it has PA+++. So protection wise, obviously a 10 on 10. Honestly, I had super high expectations because of the ingredients present in it and a lot of creators also mentioned that it is better than their previous lip balms that they had launched. It is very hydrating. My take on this is I love the shade. It honestly comes very close to my lip shade, so does not really enhance, but it feels nice when I wear it. So it gives me a very slight tint which looks nice. Coming to the hydration part, it does not really hydrate my lips enough. वो जितनी देर तक मेरे lips पे है, my lips feel nice, but as soon as it is gone, like within an hour or so, it starts to feel dry again. From a lip balm, I really expect it to hydrate enough, which it does not really do. So I would not really purchase it again because because then I would purchase this one, which is from Laneige, which also hydrates and has that glowy effect. And for the tint, I can always use a lipstick. So worth the hype? No, but it's still a good product. And that's it for today's video. We talked about 10 products and it was a very speed review kind of video, and I hope this video helps you in taking decisions before making the purchase, because that's the whole agenda of making videos. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload a video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!